Hello, Blwyddyn Newydd there, Happy New Year! Croeso i'r Fenter, welcome to the Venture, but we're not open today because we're all having a well-deserved break. We've had so much going on this year. We had the Valentine's disco early on, Easter activities and events, then we had Play Day, the birthday party, Halloween, the bonfire, and then of course the Christmas float and all the parties that go with that. So if you want to comment with your favourite memory from this year, do so in the comment section down below. But for now, from me and the rest of the Venture team, Happy New Year!
My favourite memory is when I was dancing in the hall. My favourite memory in the Venture on my birthday. My favourite memory was when the bouncy castle was out down the Venture.
My favourite memory of the Venture was when I was a little girl and we used to sit around the campfire, not this new one, the old one, and we were singing songs and Teresa was there and we looked up at the sky and we seen the shooting star and I've never come back. And yes, that's one of my favourite memories.
And what about 2017?
You coming back, Sean?
Yay!
My favourite memory of the Venture so far was the bonfire night and Halloween night. It was my first thing watching people do what goes on at the Venture. Yeah, I'm really excited to see what 2019 brings for the placements.
I'm going to say this year's favourite memory for me from the Venture was the Easter events. Lots and lots of people down, events. Everyone really enjoyed themselves, big Easter egg hunts, loads of activities, just lots of smiling and being happy. And that's me. That's my favourite memory this year.
My favourite memory at the Venture was a Friday night having a big fire in the fire pit with Wookie and Co.